If you are collecting social security or planning to, the rule just change in the way that could put hundreds of dollars more in your pocket every month. And some of these change most retirees have no idea about them. Stay with me for the next 10 minutes because I'm going to walk you through every major social security update of for 2026. What change, what it means for your check, and what you maybe need to right now to make sure you are not leaving money to the table. Welcome back. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping retiree and near retiree make the most of their money. Hit subscribe so you don't miss update like this one because in 2026 there are lots of keep track of. Let's start with the biggest headline, the cost of living adjustment COLA. For 2026 cost of living, Social Security benefit went up by 2.8%, that for nearly 71 million Americans. Now 2.8% might not sound like a lot, but let's put in a real dollar. The average retiree monthly benefit increased from about $2,015 to $2,071 per month. That's roughly $56 more every single month, or about $672 extra per year. SSI receipts, those are supplemental security income. Fox actually saved this kick in dearly. On December 31, 2025, retiree check started reflecting the change in January 2026. Now, and this is important, some of that increase gets eaten up. Here the catch, if you are Medicare, the started Part B premium jumped from $185 to $202 per month. In 2026, that's roughly $18 increase that comes straight out of your Social Security check automatically. So in reality, for many retirees, the next across after the Medicare reduction is closer to $35 a month, not $56. It's better $35 than nothing. Absolutely, but you should know what you are actually getting. And here something AARP pointed out, 77% older adult suburb said even a 3% COLA would not be enough to keep up with what they are actually spending on housing, food, and healthcare. The COLA is tied to a general inflation measure. It does not always reflect the specific cost retiree face. So your check went up, but was that Medicare line item closely? Full retirement age milestone. Here change that been coming for years, and 2026 is the year it's finally land. The full retirement age, or FRA, is now 67 for anyone born in 1960 or later. This has been a gradual phase in since 1983, but 2026 is the finish line. If you were born in 1960, you are turning 66 this year, and your full retirement age is officially 67. Why does this matter? Because your FRA is the benchmark for everything. Claim before 67, your benefit is permanently reduced. Claim at 67, you get your full benefit. Wait until 70, you get up to 32% more per month for the rest of your life. If you are approaching this decision, don't rush it. Every year you delay past your FRA up to 70 adds roughly 8% to your annual benefit. That's a guaranteed return you can't get anywhere else. Now here's something a lot people get catch off guard by, can you work and collect social security at the same time? Yes, but there are rules if you are under your full retirement age. In 1996, you are collecting social security before your FRA, you can earn up to $24,480 per year from work without any reduction in benefit. That's up from 23,400 US dollars in 2025, a $1,080 increase. But here the penalty, for every $2 you earn over that limit, Social Security withhold $1 in benefits. Now, if you reach your FRA something during 2026, the limit jump much higher to $65,160, and the penalty drop to $1 withheld from every $3 over the limit. And once you hit your FRA, the earning lets disappear completely. You can earn as much as you want. Important, the money withheld is truly lost and get added back to your benefit once you reach full retirement age, but the timing matter for your cash flow. If you are planning to work part-time in retirement, know where you stand.